Welcome to Zumba Gold, and I am Eunis WildFire Christensen. We have a wonderful time in class.
It's amazing, the music, it just gets you going. Good social outlet, a good exercise outlet. I'm enjoying the dancing, and I really do enjoy the instructor.
I do it mainly for posture and balance, and it works.
You don't have to know how to dance, and it doesn't matter what your skill level or your fitness level, whether you're a beginner, boomer, active senior, new mom, anybody wanting entry-level fitness, this is a wonderful place to begin.
And for me, an old girl of 83, I think that it is the best thing. The class is good, the people are friendly, and I couldn't hope for more.
I just love it, and it's good exercise. That's the main thing.
I hope to see you soon.